Hey guys, it's me, and we're gonna be subscribing some of these people's YouTube, it's whatever it's called, Gotcha Live videos, and we are only gonna subscribe Gotcha Life videos. So, why did my alarm clock beep? Why did my alarm clock beep? Shoot, I'm late. Might as well take a fluffiness with meh. I'm just gonna hear it like that, so you know. Yeah.
What they do, I just wanna be and I don't mind all the time. We will
Let's go, lovebirds. Alex! Some old Carl. At class. It looks like two of our students are abspend. But I have some news. So there's a whatever that says coming up, and the principal says that we have to change our classroom. And our thems is So our them is a cafe, a cat, coffee. What? Sit down, young lady, and do as I say. Fine. Now class is dismissed. Hold on, guys. Yeah, never mind. I can't believe our classes. Well, I will believe it, and I think you would looks good in a cat. Well, you know what I think. What? That you would look much better in a cat costume than me. Oh, shut up.